Welcome to Short Courses. Inspirational yoga quotes for the mind, body, and soul. Yoga is a way to freedom. By its constant practice, we can free ourselves from fear, anguish, and loneliness. The word yoga means union. It's like everything in yoga yokes or unites you to something higher, the highest part of yourself. Yoga is the perfect way to de-stress and work out at the same time. Yoga is an art and science of living. The meaning of yoga is connection of mind, body, and spirit. If you have a bad telecommunication system, your body gets sick. Yoga helps fix that. Yoga is the settling of the mind into silence. When the mind has settled, we are established in our essential nature, which is unbounded consciousness. Our essential nature is usually overshadowed by the activity of the mind. Any spirituality can be enhanced with the practice or study of yoga. Yoga is a method for restraining the natural turbulence of thoughts, which otherwise impartially prevent all men, of all lands, from glimpsing their true nature of spirit. Yoga cannot know a barrier of east and west any more than does the healing and equitable light of the sun. Yoga is a great thing, and meditation is also great to get connected to yourself more. Not only is yoga excellent for flexibility, but it is also a great tool for longevity and injury prevention, as it allows for internal body awareness. Hope you like these inspirational yoga quotes for the mind, body, and soul. Please do subscribe and like. Thank you. Have a great day.